Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. Sometimes when we see Git, not our repository, but for example the other repository, we can find some code or package or a library that we like and we want to keep to ourselves, or we want to share it, if you could say we share it, and to be in our repository. To do that, we need to scan it from the owner of the code and to be in our repository. For example, let's click here on explore to see to explore what's in GitHub. So we will find everything or all the repository here. So for example, let's say that we like this Kubernetes ingress controller about Kong. So we click on it to see it, and we see all the code we like it. For example, if we want to deploy some project with Kubernetes and we don't know, for example, how to type a code, and we found that code who work clean and we want to use it and to copy it to our repository. So here this is the readme file or the documentation of this Kubernetes or this repository of a Kong owner, and now we like it, we want to copy it to our repository. We need to click on fork. So we click on fork and we see that GitHub, it scan the code. It's like she copied the code from its owner and it will paste it to our repository. So here we see that it changed to our repository. So now if we click on your repository or our repository, see, now we see here the Kubernetes project that we just copied. So now we can go check on it. It's belongs to us, or it's in our repository. We can pull it to our machine, work on it, and then push it back, and basically now it's in our repository. So, and here we can see the number of the person who also share this project or who fork this project to themselves. And we see here the other feature of the project, for example the number of commit of a branch, the release, and contributors of the person who work in that particular project, who is Kubernetes ingress controller. So again, if you see code or a package in GitHub and you like it and you want to keep it to yourself or to keep a copy from it to yourself, you need to go to the project and click on fork. After you click on fork, you will find that particular project in your repository. So this is all for now.